Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by softening palm kernel paste or opening the cream. This gives you the oil-rich base that defines the soup. While the paste hydrates, put meat or smoked fish into a pot with water, salt, chopped onion, and bay leaves, then bring to a steady simmer for 20-30 minutes so flavors develop and proteins tenderize. Once done, skim the foam and reserve the cooking liquid. This liquid will balance the dense palm oil and carry seasoning through the soup. You now build the body. Sweat onion and garlic in a little oil until soft to unlock sweetness, then add palm kernel paste slowly while stirring so it emulsifies and releases red oil. Frying 8 to 12 minutes deepens the flavor. Next, pour in the reserved stock to reach a stew-like consistency and add ground crayfish or other umami agents. This balances the rich fat with savory notes. Make sure to taste and adjust salt and heat. You finish by returning parboiled meat or fish to the pot and simmering for 10 to 15 minutes so everything melds. Add leafy greens at the end to keep color and texture. If the soup is too thick, thin with hot stock. If flat, brighten with a squeeze of lime or splash of tamarind. If the oil separates, whisk vigorously or add a teaspoon of hot water and stir to re-emulsify. The soup should be glossy, balanced, and ready to serve with fufu or rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.